Welding is awesome. Sparks flying, metal melting, real craftsmanship. But let's be honest, it's also dangerous if you don't follow safety rules. So today let's talk about welding safety practices, the types of PPE, and the hazards inside a welding shop. Let's go! First, safety practices. Rule number 1, check your equipment before starting. Look for leaks, cracks, or exposed wires. A faulty welding machine can shock you or worse. Rule number 2, ventilation. Welding produces fumes and gases that you should never breathe in. Make sure your shop has proper airflow or use a fume extractor. Rule number 3, keep your work area clean. No oily rags, no clutter, and absolutely no flammable materials near the welding zone. Sparks can fly and fire spreads fast. Rule 4, stay alert. No welding when you're sleepy, sick, or distracted. Welding is not the time to multitask. Now let's talk PPE, or personal protective equipment. 1. Welding helmet. Protects your face and eyes from sparks and UV light. 2. Welding gloves, thick and fire-resistant, made for heat and metal. 3. Apron or welding jacket, usually leather, to protect your body and clothes. 4. Safety shoes, steel. Toe boots that protect your feet from falling metal or hot slag. 5. Ear protection, especially if you're grinding or cutting metal. 6. Respirator mask. For certain processes like flux cord arc welding, fumes are dangerous. Finally, the common hazards in a welding shop. Electric shock, especially in wet or poorly maintained areas. Fire and explosions from sparks, gases, or improper storage. Fume inhalation can cause headaches, lung damage, or worse. Eye injuries from UV rays or flying debris. Burns, even small hot metal pieces can leave a mark. The bottom line? Welding is a powerful skill, but with power comes responsibility. Know the hazards, wear the right gear, and always put safety first. Comment your thoughts. Are you using the right safety gear? What's the riskiest thing you've seen in a welding shop? Like, share, subscribe. Up to you, but I'm Mr. Etc.